Whamalo ke kau poupou kotoa pe, ko aweni ho mou whakaloto lahi, ki he houa whakaosi koe ni o e katoanga Heilala. Tatau mo e ha, ai ofa, mo e teke langi ko mou whai.
Deputy Prime Minister.
We're also going to be inviting the Deputy Prime Minister to help give out some of the awards this evening. Minister.
Xiao Sovaleni, if you can please come and allow for each of the young ladies to receive their cash prize from you and their sash from Miss Heilala 2015.
Okay, here we go. We're going to begin with the events. And the first judging event was the pre-pageant interview. These are your winners for the pre-pageant interview. The runner-up, the second runner-up, Miss Lady Maria Mopaspaspai.
Miss Soana Faiva Jr. Miss Lady Maria is the second runner-up, which is also the same as third place in the pre-pageant interview. Soana, Miss Lady Maria, kadak mai Soana, ki he Deputy Prime Minister. Fuakiatu ho pare paanga. Koe ngā ki ko poto I lea I e interview na I kamata ake e whiauhi Heilala. Her video went viral, yeah?
Oh yes, especially talking to Israel Folau.
Right
How
on.
about that? Now the first place goes to first runner-up, sorry, Miss Lomaile Lodge.
Laura, Miss Lola Lauti, receiving a cash prize from our Deputy Prime Minister for her exquisite interview skills throughout the pageant, even tonight. Even though this is a very emotional time for her, she passed with flying colors.
And the winner of your pre-pageant interview, Miss Heilala 2016, Miss Bowles Fashion, Miss Vika Toitu.
She'll receive her cash prize, and basically this means that she had the highest score for the interview, pre-pageant interview, the first judged event for this pageant.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the second event, the second judging event, Tau'olunga competition. This is a very popular one, Tau'olunga competition.
And we'd like to excuse the Deputy Prime Minister and ask the Minister of Health if he would be so kind as to come and award our young contestants this evening. Yes, don't be shy. Come a little bit closer.
And here are the winners for the Tau'olunga competition. Second runner-up, Miss Havelu Rugby, Miss Polonia Hoko.
The Miss Tau'olunga category is the most coveted title because of the importance of Tongan dance to a Tongan woman. Second runner-up, which is also third place. Well done, Miss Havelu.
The first runner-up, Miss Bowles Fashion, Miss Vika Toitu.
Vika Toitu, receiving first runner-up, second place in the Tau'olunga competition. People in Alaska must be very happy about this.
And the winner of the Tau'olunga competition, Miss Heilala 2016, Miss Lomaile Lodge, Miss Laura Lauti.
Though Laura was raised in Oakland, California, she has been dancing the Tau'olunga for many, many years. And just so you know, every time Lady Maria steps forward, that's her way of showing support and congratulating all of her fellow contestants. Maloi, ofa moi, whakalotolahi. Cash prize and Miss Tau'olunga goes to Lomaile Lodge, Miss Laura Lauti.
Congratulations to all our winners. Ladies and gentlemen, the third judging event, Contemporary Island Creation. Contemporary Island Creation. Second runner-up, Miss 5-Star Finance, Miss Ofahui.
This year, the island creations were magnificent. There was a theme all throughout the evening, the use of feta'aki and all the natural fibers. Miss 5-Star Finances Company Limited, Ofahui, second runner-up, third place in Contemporary Island Creation.
Now the first runner-up, Miss Apraxis New Zealand, Miss Ana Siulata Ifereunga Falala.
Miss Ana Falala, if you recall, wore a three-piece versatile island creation that was spectacular to see.
Very nice.
First runner-up,
Congratulations.
second place.
And the winner of the Contemporary Island Creation for Miss Heilala 2016, Miss Lomaile Lodge, Miss Laura Malaya Renee Lauti.
Laura Lauti, taking her second event of the night. And I can see that the sponsor looks very, very happy tonight from Lomaile Lodge. A touch of royalty in the heart of Nuku'alofa. Well done. Okay, we'd like to mopaspasi mai Minister Moimoi ni ang alilay kay me mai fuaki ang ipare ko ni. John Pulu, if you don't mind, I would like to ask the Speaker of the House, Lord Tui Vakano. I hope you don't mind, but he looks like a movie star tonight.
Just call him 007.
Please give a round of applause to Lord Tui Vakano, the Tongan Cary Grant. My father would be so mad to hear me say things like this. The Speaker of the House will be giving the next prizes.
Now the fourth judging event, this is the sarong competition. Second runner-up, Miss Apraxis New Zealand, Miss Ana Siulata Fileunga Falawa.
Her sarong was absolutely beautiful the other night, so she is third place in the sarong competition.
Congratulations. The first runner-up, Miss Lomaile Lodge, Miss Laura Malaya Renee Lauti.
First runner-up or second place. Once again, if you're just tuning in, this is for sarong competition.
That's correct. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the sarong competition, Miss Heilala 2016, Miss Bose Fashion, Miss Vakat Vikatotu.
And I'm sure her sponsor is very happy because Bose Fashion is where you find contemporary island wear.
Well done to all our winners. Now, the fifth judging event. This is the Talent Quest. The Talent Quest category, the second runner-up. Miss Bose Fashion, Miss Vika Tuyoneto Toitu.
She'll receive a cash prize for her beautiful Tahitian ahuroa or aparima that she performed, portraying the white tabake bird. Third place in the talent contest.
Now the first runner-up in the Talent Quest, Miss Havelu Rugby, Miss Polonia Hoko.
First runner-up receives a cash prize, and I'm happy to tell you that she sang live last night when she shared the nurse's prayer. Well done.
And the winner of Miss Heilala 2016 of the Talent Quest category, Miss Lomaile Lodge, Miss Laura Renee Lauti.
I can just imagine the Bay Area going crazy tonight for their very own contestant raised in Oakland representing Lomaile Lodge.
Congratulations.
Yes.
That concludes our events. Thank you very much, Lotu Ivakano.
Thank you so much to the Speaker of the House for accepting our kind request. All right, we have special awards that will be given at this time. Special awards that will be given. The first of which is the best Tau'olunga costume. I'm so happy they do this. Because the Tau'olunga costume takes a long time to make, right? So we would like to invite, if we may, I'm trying to read your mind from here, Minister of Tourism. Can we please ask the Minister of Tourism and Infrastructure to please come and give our special awards? The Honorable Semisi Kioa Lafusika. The first award, Best Tau'olunga Costume, will receive a cash prize of 500 paanga, round-trip ticket for 2 from Vava'u to Nandi, Fiji, and this is sponsored by Fiji Airlines, the national airline of Fiji, connecting the Kingdom of Tonga to all of the Pacific. And we thank our sponsor, Fiji Airways, for bringing both my co-MC and I to make it here for this pageant.
Vinaka.
Vinaka Bakalevu. 500 paanga and a round-trip ticket for 2 on Fiji Airways from Vava'u to Nandi, Fiji is awarded to Miss Lomaile Lodge, Miss Laura Lauti. Well done, Lomaile Lodge. Once again, a touch of royalty in the heart of Nuku'alofa. I did not excuse the Minister of Tourism, but I guess he's ready to retire. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for being the kindest of all the ministers I've met this evening. We'd like to award Miss Popularity, and with this award, a very special thank you to our sponsor. Our sponsor, which is of course TCC, which is the 100% owned by Tonga, I must add. How about a round of applause for that? There's lots of competition in this area, but we thank TCC for having a fun text competition. Star 2016 hash. The young lady who won Miss Popularity will receive an iPhone 6 from TCC. What's your name? I'd like to call on the manager of TCC, who is here with us this evening, Rizvi, to please come forward. This is actually the service I've been using while I've been here. Thank you for the iPhone 6 that you've given us to award to Miss Popularity. Of all the contestants, the most number of votes coming in at 1,035 texts, which costed 10 seniti each, I might add, is awarded to Miss Popularity is Miss Tongatapu, Sosefina Fataimoy Manu Ledger. Once again, iPhone 6 from TCC, the Apple authorized reseller here in Tonga. 1,035 votes. If you're wondering, because I'm wondering, who got the second number of votes, it was at 388, Miss Bose Fashion. But it's okay, I'm sure you have an iPhone 6 already. So, Miss Josefina Fataimoy Manu Ledger, you enjoy that iPhone 6. And we hope that TCC will give you a really good plan on your iPhone 6. Thank you so much to our sponsor.
Malo TCC.
The final special award is is for the best ball gown this evening. And I don't know if you noticed, but one of our contestants actually did a change, or maybe a couple of them. And we've seen some beautiful ball gowns tonight. I'm glad we're giving a special award because this is not one of the categories in Miss Pacific Islands. We would, however, like to award $300 cash for the best ball gown. And this goes to Miss Tongatapu, Sosefina Fatay Moimoi Ledger. Sosefina is named after her grandmother, Fatay Ledger, who was the teacher for many of us young people who are now serving the kingdom and abroad. You have done well and represented your grandmother well. All right, can we have some consolation prizes?
Now the consolation prizes, the winner gets $500 and a round trip for two to Ha'apai on Real Tonga. And big thank you to Real Tonga and Paula Aviation. This prize goes to Miss Lady Maria.
We would like to thank Lady Maria, the sponsor from Australia, from Sydney, who has been supporting this event for over 20 years. Thank you so much to your sponsor and for your free spirit. You truly are a good representative of beautiful Tonga, Miss Lady Maria.
Joining Miss Lady Maria in Ha'apai, also with $500 cash, is Miss Tourism Tonga.
Michelle Motuliki, who is an absolutely natural beauty. Thank you, Michelle Motuliki, and for your tribute to your mother tonight.
Now the next award, you get $500 and a round trip for two to Eua on Real Tonga, and thank you, Paula Aviation Limited. It goes to Miss Tongatapu.
Once again, thank you to Real Tonga Airlines and Paula Aviation, the kingdom's own airline.
Joining Miss Tongatapu in Eua, $500 cash and a round trip for one to Eua, Miss Tonga National Rugby League. And the fifth cash prize, $500 and a round trip for one to Eua on Real Tonga and Paula Aviation. Miss Tonga China Friendship Association.
None other than beautiful Salote Tatakiyama Veikune. We've come to the conclusion of Miss Heilala Festival, Miss Heilala Pageant 2016. Who will the top 5 be? Who is it? Wow, you have no idea. We're so nervous about this, right? So let's wait no longer and announce who they are. Okay, everyone's gonna be really quiet so we can figure out who the winners are. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be announcing the top 5 this time in their particular order. We're gonna start with the 4th runner-up, who happens to be 5th place. Who will it be? What will they receive?
The 4th runner-up for Miss Heilala 2016, $1,000 cash, round trip for two to Vava'u, sponsored by Real Tonga and Palu Aviation Limited. You also get a Huawei G620. Thank you to TCC. 4th runner-up, Miss Praxis New Zealand.
If you would just pause right here, it would be an honor, because it has been an honor for the entire week of Heilala that the sponsors and the contestants have had the pleasure and the honor of Honorable Salote Lupepau'u's presence and receiving this prize. If you wouldn't mind, we would love to have each contestant receive them from you. Honorable Salote Lupepau'u has served as chair lady for all of the judges throughout Heilala festivities. And we thank you for your graciousness in serving in this capacity.
Congratulations, Miss Praxis New Zealand, 4th runner-up.
Round of applause for our 4th runner-up.
3rd runner-up. She receives $1,500 cash, round trip for two to Vava'u, sponsored by Real Tonga and Paula Aviation Limited. You also get a Huawei G620 mobile phone thanks to TCC.
Might I just clarify that it's 1,500 pa'anga, not dollars, in case you ask us for it.
And the 3rd runner-up goes to Miss Heilala Rugby.
This is Polonia Baya Niui Hoko. That's right. And she's accepting this sash on behalf of all of the nurses around the kingdom who care for Tonga's people in a very special way. Once again, this is Miss Heilala Rugby, contestant who has come in as 3rd runner-up or 4th place in the Miss Heilala finals.
Now the 2nd runner-up, she gets a cash $2,000 pa'anga, round trip for 2 to Nandi, Fiji, sponsored by Fiji Airways. Huawei P8, sponsored by TCC. And this year, the 2nd runner-up for Miss Heilala 2016, Miss 5-Star Finances.
Very good news for our local contestants. This beautiful young lady, Ofa Hui, who gave us a great lesson in Tongan history tonight. Thank you, Miss 5-Star Finances.
Oh, we're getting close to finding out who will... Can all our winners please step forward?
Can we have all the winners we've already announced please step forward? No,
Miss Praxis New Zealand, Miss Heilala Rugby,
Miss 5-Star Finances. There you go.
You're getting close. Ho'ike Mokainga, this is your 1st runner-up, Miss Heilala 2016. She gets 3,000 pa'anga. Round trip for 2. 1st runner-up gets a round trip for 2 to Honolulu, Hawaii, thanks to Fiji Airways. She can also ring someone on her new Samsung Galaxy A5, thanks to TCC.
Thank you, TCC.
And the 1st runner-up, Miss Heilala 2016, Miss Bowles Fashion. Miss Bowles Fashion will receive cash pa'anga, 3,000 pa'anga. She'll also be taking someone to Honolulu, Hawaii, thanks to Fiji Airways. She can also ring her family on her new mobile phone, Samsung Galaxy A5, thanks to our friends at TCC.
Please step up, Vika. Vika had placed in every category that she competed in. Who will the winner of Miss Heilala 2016 be?
I've got it right here. Got it right here. This is so intense. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Heilala 2016-2017. She will receive 5,000 pa'anga. round trip for two to LA, United States of America, sponsored by Fiji Airways. She can also ring me on her new Apple iPhone, sponsored by TCC. Hoek Wakainga, please welcome your Miss Heilala for 2016-2017, Miss Lomaile Lodge!
Laura, Melaya, Renee, Lauti, achieving the dream of her mother who passed away 2 years ago. Ladies and gentlemen, please, a round of applause for the young lady who will represent Tonga at Miss Pacific Islands 2016.
Miss Heilala 2016 to 2017, Miss Lomaile Lodge. Miss Lomaile Lodge will receive 5,000 pa'anga, round trip for two to LA, USA, sponsored by Fiji Airways. She will also have a new Apple iPhone, sponsored by TCC. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Heilala 2016 to 2017, Miss Lomaile Lodge.
And let's invite the newest Miss Heilala 2016 to take her walk for the first time as the winner of this title for this year.
Wow.
That's how we do it in Oakland. And just like I expected, the 10 young ladies who have competed for Miss Heilala have become the best of friends. This is what is beautiful about Tonga. There you have it. And if you're tuning in live stream, ladies and gentlemen, we've just announced that Miss Heilala 2016 was Miss Lomaile Lodge, Laura, Melaya, Renee, Lauti. Congratulations to our sponsor, Mr. Saya Moihau, owner of Lomaile Lodge.
Mali. Pede. Pakimotoi. Heilala Pageant. Aiko kana. Boy mako freunga. Ha lau yai. Egi kupo wa me. Lau atonga leleka. Moi matala siale. Eva leto ano. Kono vao kala hola. Heilala fiskalai. Po manongi te ala haya po. Waya, vive hai. Ei pare mea. Moi homa te te va.